Hi everyone, my name is Richard, and today I'm going to be showing you how to submit an application for Coursera financial aid, or how to submit your financial aid application with Coursera. Whichever one you understand, I know you know how or what I'm saying. So the first thing you want to do is you need to ensure that you have your Coursera page opened on your browser. You can go to your Google Chrome. You can see this is my Google Chrome. Yeah, this is my Google Chrome from here. I just opened it now. Then the next thing you want to do is knowing the course that you wish to apply to. So the course I want to apply to is on this list that was sent to us by Madam Equitos. So you're going to click on this link here. You can simply just highlight on the link and then click on your browser, and it's going to be opened up here. Okay, so when it opens up here, you're supposed to find the financial aid stuff, on this page. But because Coursera has changed a lot of things recently, they moved this a bit down. So you're going to go down a bit to where you see financial aid application or financial aid available. Just keep going down. Just go down a little bit, and then here you can see that right here we have financial aid available. Right here you can see where it says learn more. So you're going to click on this learn more here. Okay, and then when you on this learn more here, it's going to ask you to log in, and then it's going to give you options here at the bottom. It's going to ask you to log in with your email address, log in with your password. But because we are students, we don't want to waste time with that, so we're going to log in with Google. So I'm going to click on continue with Google here, and this will allow me to authenticate my Google account for use on that platform. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to use my Google account here, and with that now I'm going to click on continue here at the bottom, and at this point it has taken me to the account. Right, this is now this is now my Coursera profile, and I can still go back again to where I had that financial aid stuff before now. So it's at the bottom. Just have to find it one more time. So you can see it here one more time. So what you have to do now is click on the learn more. And here now you can see that it is saying applications can take up to 16 days to be reviewed. If approved, you'll be eligible to receive up to 90% of the regular price. So what happened is that this application for financial aid actually allows you to secure a kind of, what will I call it now? It will allow you to secure a kind of scholarship, or let me just say a kind of discount, to allow you to take this course at a reduced price. Now, this course actually cost about $50 or thereabout. So if you actually get this financial aid, if you are approved, you'll be able to pay at least $5 for this course. So instead of to be paying your $50, you have to just pay $5, and then you take the course in full and then get your certification. So now we are here at this application page now. So the next thing we want to do is we are going to see two options here, which is one is to enroll and the second one is to click to the application. So you are going to click on continue to the application here to be able to apply for the financial aid application correctly. So click on continue to the application here. Okay, now we are now on the page, and it's going to just do its thing, and it's going to ask you to tell us about yourself. So this is just trying to know what you do. So the first question here is, what's your highest level of education? So for me, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to say, okay, college degree. Yeah, then it says, what is your annual income? So annual income is going to be like, okay, what are you earning at the moment? So maybe you can say, okay, it's 0. And then you see where they say select currency here, you're going to need to select maybe Nigerian naira, or if you are from the US, you can select the dollar. If you are in Nigeria, you can select, and you can see Nigeria from here. That's our naira. And if you are in the US, you need to look for that has to do with United States dollar. Look at it here. Oh, that's not it. Also look for United States dollar. You see it here, select it here. Now you say what's your employment status? You can say I'm unemployed. You can even say you are a student, right? So whichever one you think is going to work for you. For me, I think I'm just going to say unemployed, right? And then it says, why are you applying for financial aid? Don't forget, The purpose is for you to be able to learn this course at either a reduced price or for free. Now, it is asking you why you are applying for financial aid because they want to know the reason why you wish to apply. So you are required to make at least 150 words here so that you can be able to go to the next stage. In other words, if you are typing if what you're typing is not equal to 150 words, you are not going to be able to proceed to the next phase or to the next page of the application. So you're going to come here and then you're going to tell them that okay, in order for me to start earning, okay, I've spotted some courses that, it's okay. In order for me to start earning, you've seen some kind of courses that, that would, that will help you, okay, help me transition, okay, perfectly into IT support, okay. The course, okay, is what I'm submitting this application for, and okay, as I believe a knowledge from this would help me land better opportunities and better my life. Okay, I have been a graduate for about 1 year now. About 1 year now, and it hasn't been easy getting a good offer coming from the fact that I have no real world experience. I believe the IT support course here will offer me the opportunity to learn new skills, gain more knowledge, as well as boost my confidence, when it comes to presenting myself out there. I have no doubt that a financial aid from Coursera will really go a long way to placing me, high above my peers. So it's going to place you high above your peers, okay, afford you needed skills and hands-on experience to score, okay, good offers. So this is why I am applying for this opportunity. Then you put a thanks again. So now that you've written this, the next thing you want to do is click on next here. Okay, now at this point, now this is step 2 of 2. It says just a few more questions. How much can you pay for this course? So now they're trying to know how much you can actually pay for this course. And because you don't have any money, you can just say, okay, you can only afford to pay a zero, right? Now it says, how will the selected course help with your goals, right? So they want to know, how will this course help you with your goals, right? So now this is the part where you now need to understand what your goals are. What are your goals? Are you trying to get a job? Are you trying to skill up? Are you trying to maybe increase your earning gap? Are you trying to like get a promotion or whatever? So you need to you have to state all those things here. Now, because we are students, right? We are trying to skill up, right? So they say, okay, how will this course help us with our goals? Which is, how will it make us to achieve our skilling up goals? Okay, so now it's okay. I believe, okay, going through the course will help me, okay, in the following ways. Okay, one is to, okay, to grow in knowledge. Two, gain hands-on experience. Okay, then three can be what now? Possibly earn higher when I finally get an opportunity. Okay, then so on and so forth. So you knowing what you're already applying for, of course you know what you're applying for. So the next thing is for you just like come down here, then type a few more things. Okay, so while there are more ways the course can help me achieve my goals, okay, I feel learning from professionals, okay, with real world experience will help me, okay, tap enough knowledge, okay, that will be useful to me as I delve in, okay, the world of IT. Okay, that is one now. Okay, now with such experience, it will be easier to understand what a potential employer is looking for and how best my knowledge and skill set can be best applied to what? To solve real world problems. Yeah, that is another one now. Then high opportunity, right? Now, talking about earning higher, with the certificate that comes with this course, I believe it will be easier to convince any employer or hiring manager that I am best suited for the position, okay, advertised. In all, this course will help me grow and achieve my ultimate goal for this year, which is to skill up and be prepared for what's yet to come. And now you are done. What do you do now? Now press your full stop and then click on these two stems. You see, we have terms and conditions at the bottom here. You can click on this now, and then also click on this one, and you say please type the following sentence. Now the sentence they want you to type here is just this: I agree to the terms above. Click on this box here and then type it as it is there. Say I agree to the terms above. Right now, when you're done, what do? You need to click on this "I am not a robot." Okay, that's just your captcha. You need to click on it and then confirm it if it is okay. I'm going to highlight this message here and share it with you guys so that you can actually get to work with it or look at it and then know what to write when it is your turn. So now I've done everything here. The next thing is to click on review. Okay, now I click on review. Now they are reviewing it at the moment. Then when I do next now is to what? Click on submit application. This one now sends it to the people that will now review it and then possibly grant me the course for free or for a 90% discount. So I'll click on submit application and we are good. Can you see now? It says my application has been received. They say we received your financial aid application for technical support fundamentals. We'll let you know the outcome of your application through email and an in-app message by July 21, 2025. So yes, today is the 6th of July. So probably in the 15 days time, they're going to send us a response. So at this point, we are done with this. We are done with it. It is finished. Nothing more to do here. What do you do next now? The next thing you're going to do is just to close your Coursera app, and then you are good. So this is just how to submit application for financial aid. You can see that right here. You can see that right here when I go to my email, it says that financial aid application received successfully. So this is just to show you that financial aid application for Coursera is as easy as ABC. It's not a difficult thing to do. So go forth and try yours. I'm very hopeful that you're going to get yours as well. So see you in the next video. Remember to share this video with your friends and help them to also get to enjoy the financial aid application tutorial so that they can be able to do theirs perfectly. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.